Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a nature overlay portrait. Open your portrait in Photoshop and add a forest or leaf textures above the face. Right click and choose create clipping mask. The natural textures fills your subject beautifully. Lower opacity for subtle blending. Add a soft light layer to enhance sunlight areas. Use layer mask to remove excess edges. Apply overlay blend modes for natural tone and add a gradient background for color harmony. Now add shadows to refine the edges. Insert text or logo below the portrait. Use dot tool to gentle highlights. Add some blur around the corners for focus. Merge and color correct to the final piece.